Welcome back. Today we're focusing on a crucial but often ignored topic, kidney health. Your kidneys are your body's filtration system, removing toxins and excess fluid every day. When they're not working well, toxins build up, leading to serious health issues. The good news? Nature offers simple, powerful ways to support your kidneys, starting with seeds. In this video, I'll reveal the top 4 seeds that help flush toxins and support kidney repair. These are everyday seeds you can easily add to your diet. Let's dive in and discover how these tiny powerhouses can make a big difference. First up, pumpkin seeds. These tiny green seeds might look simple, but they're actually nutritional powerhouses with a long history of use in traditional medicine. For centuries, people around the world have turned to pumpkin seeds for their healing properties, especially when it comes to supporting kidney health and overall wellness. More than just a crunchy snack, pumpkin seeds are loaded with antioxidants like carotenoids and vitamin E. These antioxidants act as your body's natural defense system, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and shielding your kidneys from oxidative stress and cellular damage. This protection is crucial, as oxidative stress can contribute to kidney disease and other chronic health issues. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that many people don't get enough of. Magnesium plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure, which is a key factor in maintaining healthy kidneys. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, so getting enough magnesium can make a real difference. Magnesium also helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by stopping calcium oxalate crystals from sticking together and forming stones. This means that regularly eating pumpkin seeds can help keep your kidneys clear and functioning smoothly, reducing your risk of painful kidney stones. The best part? You don't need a lot. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds each day, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, can provide these powerful benefits. It's a simple, tasty habit that can have a big impact on your health over time. There are so many easy ways to add pumpkin seeds to your diet. Sprinkle them on top of salads for a satisfying crunch, stir them into your morning yogurt or oatmeal, or simply enjoy them raw as a quick snack. You can even blend them into smoothies or use them as a topping for soups and roasted vegetables. The key is consistency. Making pumpkin seeds a regular part of your daily routine is like giving your kidneys a little extra insurance every single day. Over time, these small choices add up to big health benefits. And the benefits don't stop at your kidneys. Pumpkin seeds also support better sleep thanks to their natural tryptophan content, boost your energy levels with healthy fats and protein, and contribute to overall wellness with their rich nutrient profile. So, if you're looking for a simple, delicious way to protect your kidneys and support your health, step 1 is easy. Add pumpkin seeds to your daily routine and enjoy the benefits for years to come. Next, flax seeds, the healers. Their secret weapon is ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that fights inflammation, a major cause of kidney damage. Flax seeds are also loaded with lignans, antioxidants that help improve kidney function and reduce inflammation. For best results, use ground flaxseed. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Add a tablespoon to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Regular use calms inflammation and supports kidney repair. It's a simple, long-term strategy for healthier kidneys. Step 2. Make ground flaxseed a daily habit. Third on the list, chia seeds, the detoxifiers. These tiny seeds may look unassuming, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to cleansing your body from the inside out. For centuries, chia seeds have been prized for their unique ability to absorb many times their weight in liquid, transforming into a gel-like substance that works wonders in your digestive system. When you eat chia seeds, their soluble fiber forms a thick gel in your gut. This gel acts like a sponge, binding to toxins, waste, and even excess cholesterol, trapping them so your body can safely eliminate them before they ever reach your kidneys. This natural process helps your body detoxify more efficiently, reducing the burden on your kidneys and supporting their long-term health. But that's not all. The fiber in chia seeds also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This is crucial because spikes in blood sugar can damage the tiny, delicate blood vessels in your kidneys over time. By keeping your blood sugar steady, chia seeds help protect these vital organs from harm. Chia seeds are also a fantastic source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Along with essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, They support not just your kidneys, but your heart, bones, and overall well-being. Including chia seeds in your diet is a simple way to boost your intake of these vital nutrients. There are so many easy and delicious ways to enjoy chia seeds. You can blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost, make a creamy chia pudding for breakfast or dessert, or simply stir them into a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing detox drink. Because chia seeds are virtually flavorless, they blend seamlessly into almost any meal. Sprinkle them over oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, or mix them into baked goods and energy bars. Their versatility makes it easy to add them to your daily routine without any fuss. By cleaning up your gut, chia seeds help lighten your kidneys' workload, allowing these vital organs to focus on filtering your blood and keeping your body in balance. A healthy gut means healthier kidneys, and chia seeds are a simple, natural way to support both. So step 3. Embrace chia seeds as your ultimate detoxifying sponges. Add them to your daily routine to support detox, protect your kidneys, and boost your overall health from the inside out. Finally, let's talk about watermelon seeds. Often overlooked, but truly a natural diuretic powerhouse. These tiny seeds, usually discarded without a second thought, are actually packed with nutrients and health benefits that can make a real difference for your kidneys and overall well-being. Watermelon seeds help your body flush out excess salt and water, acting as a gentle, natural diuretic. By encouraging your kidneys to release more sodium and water, they help reduce water retention, which can lower your risk of developing kidney stones and help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. This natural flush is especially important for people who want to support their urinary system without relying on harsh medications. One of the key compounds in watermelon seeds is citrulline, an amino acid that your body converts into arginine. This process boosts nitric oxide production, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow to the kidneys and throughout your body. Better circulation means your kidneys can filter waste more efficiently, supporting their natural detoxification process. But that's not all. Watermelon seeds are also a rich source of essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and supports muscle and nerve function, while zinc is crucial for immune health and cellular repair. Including these minerals in your diet can help your kidneys function at their best. There are several easy ways to enjoy the benefits of watermelon seeds. Try eating sprouted dried watermelon seeds as a crunchy snack, or add them to your morning smoothie for a nutritional boost. You can also make a simple, soothing tea by steeping ground watermelon seeds in hot water. This traditional remedy has been used for generations to support kidney and urinary health. This gentle diuretic flush not only supports kidney function, but also helps you feel lighter and more refreshed. Over time, regularly including watermelon seeds in your diet can contribute to better urinary health and overall vitality. So next time you enjoy a juicy slice of watermelon, don't toss those seeds. They're a hidden gem for your kidneys, packed with nutrients and natural compounds that help cleanse and protect your body from within. Step 4. Add watermelon seeds to your daily routine. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply snack on them for a natural, effective cleanse that supports your kidneys and urinary tract. When combined with the other 3 seeds we've discussed, watermelon seeds complete a powerful natural toolkit for comprehensive kidney support. Embrace these seeds and give your kidneys the care they deserve. There you have it, the top 4 seeds to detoxify and heal your kidneys. Add pumpkin, flax, chia, and watermelon seeds to your daily routine for powerful, natural support. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have kidney issues. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share to help others take charge of their kidney health. Thanks for watching and being part of our community. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.